Welcome to the PsycInfo tutorial, Part 2 Searching. In Part 2, you will learn how to use the advanced search mode in PsycInfo, how to refine search results using various filters, and how to obtain full text. Let's go to PsycInfo. To access the database, first go to the library's homepage. From here, click the Databases tab. Type the name of the database in the search box and click Go. Choose PsycInfo. Log in with your Mason ID and password. You will be led to the advanced search page of PsycInfo because that's the default setting. If you have used other app school products, this interface may look very familiar to you. You can see that there are 3 search boxes at the top of the page. Below the search boxes, you can see a variety of additional search options. We will take a close look at this later. For now, let's examine the search boxes. If you need another search box, you can click the plus sign. To the right of each search box, you can see a drop-down menu called Select a Field. When you click it, you will see many options. We will learn how to use these options in a different tutorial, but for now, let's leave it as it is. Let's enter the first set of keywords in the first search box. And click Search. These are the results from the first set of keywords. You can see that the first search retrieved almost 160,000 results. Let's add a second set of keywords. In the second search box, we will add the second set of keywords. Job satisfaction or work satisfaction or employee satisfaction. Job satisfaction or work satisfaction or employee satisfaction. Note that these 2 sets of search terms will be combined with AND because we want to find research that discusses both concepts. Click Search. Now we have about 2,000 results. At this point, you may wonder why I'm using quotation marks. When you use your quotation, the database treats the word inside the quotation marks as a phrase and only returns with the word you type in exactly the order you type them. Let's come back to the search result. After you run a search, the next step is to refine. Filters provide a great way to refine the search. Let's examine some filters that are very useful. The first set of filters you will see ask if you want to limit your search result to only those with a link to full text, reference available, or open access. Do not limit to link to full text. If the citation you want doesn't provide full text via the database, you can always ask the library to obtain it for you. For the same reason, do not limit to open access. You can also select the range of publication year. The publication date filter allows you to narrow your result based on publication year. The next set of filters is source type. The next set of filters is source type. I suggest not limiting to academic journals automatically. If you're not familiar with the topic, books will be very useful to you. Below you will find many other filters that are very useful. Click on the arrow sign to view more options for each category. Click on the arrow sign to view more options for each category. You can click the checkbox to limit to particular options. To obtain full text, look for full text buttons. Sometimes you may only see a Mason. If you don't see any full text link, you can submit a request to the library. To do so, go to the library homepage. Under My Library, click Interlibrary Loan. From the ILL page, click on the third option and fill out the form. This concludes the APA PsycInfo Basics tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you at another tutorial.